Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy pancakes. First, let's start with the dry ingredients. Swap out white flour for whole wheat flour to boost fiber and nutrients. You can also add 1/4 cup of rolled oats for a delightful texture and added heart benefits. For sweetness, opt for natural choices like pure maple syrup or a touch of honey in your batter. Now, let's look at the wet ingredients. Instead of refined sugar, use mashed ripe bananas. They add natural sweetness and moisture, reducing the need for extra fat. Choose unsweetened almond milk to keep the calorie count lower than traditional dairy. A teaspoon of vanilla extract will also elevate the flavor profile beautifully. When cooking, use a lightly oiled non-stick griddle over medium heat to prevent sticking and ensure even browning. For toppings, skip sugary syrups. Instead, pile on fresh berries like blueberries or strawberries for antioxidants and natural sweetness. A dollop of plain Greek yogurt also adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein. To further enhance your healthy pancakes, consider mixing in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds for a dose of omega-3 fatty acids. A pinch of cinnamon not only adds a warm, inviting spice, but also offers additional health benefits. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious homemade pancakes, knowing you've made a great choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.